Hi, people. It's finally done. You can see the cowl is all on. See? The windshield. Now, the worst part is yet to come. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Maybe I should glue that. I don't know. But anyways, Brooklyn, I hope you love it. I hope you love it. But she's done. I gotta maybe glue this. Oh, I gotta glue this thing back. And Brooklyn, I'll send you the screwdriver, and I'll send you the instruction sheet just in case anything breaks off it. I hope it doesn't, but things do happen. Doesn't seem like it wants to stay. There we go. So it's all done, Brooklyn. I hope you like it, and I'll ship it out sometime this week. As soon as I get the bubble wrap, I just ordered some bubble wrap. I don't know when it's coming in, but once it comes in, I will mail it right to you, Brooklyn, and you're more than welcome. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now. Oh, by the way, I do have a sponsor on my channel, Skill Finishes. If you go to my channel, uh, you see the PayPal links in the banner, and you see Skill Finishes. Click on that. If you want to order paint, let me know, and then I can give you a code so you can save yourself some money. I think you get 10 or 15% off. Anyways, that's it for now. Also, become a member, and you're going to be in a draw in the free giveaway. Talk to you all later. Bye for now.